Alright, we got somebody keying up, so I'll let you go. They call me Daddy. East Coast of Florida. Waving. Are you running a tube box? Man, that sounds like a tube box. No, man, this is a Galaxy 2547. Oh, yeah, I got two of them. Now I know who it is. That guy sounded like he had some echo on his equipment, too. That's right. Oh, boy. What's that smell, man? Anybody smell that? I think they should bring tubes back. That voice sounds familiar. Sounds like somebody out of Northtown. Is that Sheriff? Oh, 10-4, Sheriff. We ain't heard you in a while, man. It's Quick Draw McGraw on the east side of Florida.
Dr. Dog, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm sure it's you, man. I'm sure it's you. Stuff around here.
You got lamb in the oven or what?
No.
What's for dinner?
Damn, Quick.
I'm making a pizza.
Oh! I appreciate them flowers, Sheriff. Your radio doing a good job, too, no doubt about it. I played you a little playback of your conversation with Dreamweaver. Hey, man, God bless you out that way. You guys have a good one. I think I've even talked to your son a couple of times.
Cheese on it.
Gotcha, sound good.
Yeah, you don't have to do that. I got one, too. I wasn't.
Monk it up.
No doubt. All right, Sheriff. Hey, man, it's a pleasure. We got good conditions on Nevada today, no doubt about it. Have yourself a good one, friend. And I'm going to jump back on the side. 73s, God bless. I'm gone. Damn, Quick, you got a good memory.
He said 1408, Double Beach. That's right.
Waving a hand, Ducky.
Waving at you, Dreamweaver.
Waving, Ducky.
Hey, what's up, 420?
Just the radio. Don't be scared.
All right, have a good one, 420, right around the Rockies.
Telling you, man, there's nothing else in line except for a meter. Just the radio.
Oh my God, I just accidentally smoked some marijuana. Oh.
I'll be eating some venison jerky here in a little bit. I know it is. I'm saying, when you do cook it, we gonna fry it or bake it or what? I keep trying to tell people around here. They don't believe me.
I really don't know. I might put it on the grill.
Hey,
How do you normally do it? You put it on the grill, like a flat grill or a regular gas grill? But
I'll put it on
if you want to run over, they buy a permit from me.
some lemon sauce, cook it for about 2 minutes.
have a permit